Hi, my name's Owen Evans. I'm Chief Inspector for Education and Training in Wales. I just wanted to share with you quickly some changes we're making to the way that we inspect schools and PRUs in Wales. We're moving away from high stakes, things like adequate, good or excellent, and we're moving to a system where we have a far more honest dialogue, I think, with schools about what's good, but also the areas that need to be improved. And I'm looking forward to those conversations. For you, it'll mean that there is more detail in what you see, but we're also producing abridged versions for parents and for other stakeholders, such as governors, about what these judgments will actually mean. But I think that the positive thing is that it moves away from this high stakes thing of arguing over what grades schools get to one where we really do get to the issues that need resolving. And, we're all in this to improve education. So please look at the literature, please look at the various materials that we've produced explaining the changes, but I think this is a positive one for the future. Can I reassure you, though, that standards will still be the heart of everything we do, and that for schools that aren't good enough, we still have the opportunity to put those into special measures. So changes, but I think they're positive, and I hope you'll agree and look into how they're changing. Diolch.